Just the way I'ma feel, just the way I'ma feel, and just the way I'ma feel, just the way I'ma. My ears I got a G just by a markex. That make me feel good. Ooh, I vex, go and vex. Cause them can't feel good. What is for you can never be for me. Can never be for me. Me I work for my goal, reach to my own. Words of friends sweet. I see my mother last night and she is my...
Hi guys, how are we doing? So we are going on a video shoot for Darren's song called Feel Good today. So we did one last week I think, yeah. And no, we did one this week. I can't remember if we vlogged it. I don't think I vlogged it, no. So we're going to continue it today, which should be fun. So there's Magda, and then there's Darren. So yeah, we're on our way to do this video shoot now, which should be very fun. I'll put the link to his song below this vlog. It's also on YouTube and it's on. Wait, is it on iTunes and stuff yet, babe? How come you didn't tell me that it was on it? And all along I've been asking you. Huh? You didn't tell me that it was on there? Anyways.
Yo!
My place.
Ricky!
So,
Yo!
So yeah, I'll put the song, the YouTube link below, and I'll put the iTunes link below, the name of it and stuff like that. It's available on iTunes, on Amazon, on Spotify, and a few others and stuff like that. I'll try and put the link to all of them, but if not, I'll put the link to
Where the dog? Yo! Yo!
Huh? No, I'm talking to the vlog.
Yo!
So I'll upload it on my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Yo!
Yeah.
Vlog or vlog?
Vlog. I'll let you watch them. So yeah.
Yo!
So we're just waiting on
Yo!
what's this? Oh, it's not. So we're just waiting.
You know what I see you last day? Yeah? So then say we are meet.
Waiting on the next group. Anyways, guys, I didn't even get ready that properly because I was in such a rush. Guys, I don't really like what I'm wearing today. I feel too normal. Yes. I like feeling a bit. What's the word? Extra. I feel very normal today. Like, I don't know. I'm not used to it. So I don't really know if I like. Not that I don't know. I don't like what I'm wearing. But I'll show you guys. But I'm wearing a orange top, and I'm wearing these jeans, and I'm wearing like a gold sandals. Yes, orange. Darren don't like orange. I like it. So you don't like what I'm wearing then?
Well, I'm nice.
Nice. I don't know. I don't like it. Like my look would probably be a trainers, high-waisted jeans, and a top. You know, either a crop top.
I come down
Now my man actually get too frizzy in the sun. It's too much to, and I'm gonna have to straighten
Yo, how y'all go down?
every day, guys. So we need to park up somewhere and just like wait. So we're currently in my area, which is Duncan's. This is my place. And the patty, if you haven't tried the patty in Duncan's yet, babe, turn the car off. If you haven't tried the patty in Duncan's yet, you need to try it. It's so tasty. Like
This hot patty.
yeah, the cheese patty is mouth watering, like, because when you buy it, you see all the cheese and melted cheese, and with a lot of patties you don't see the melted cheese in it. So the best patty I would recommend is Duncan's patty. Like literally in Duncan Square, there's like a shop that sells it.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, rain.
So we're just waiting now. Tell the people them about your shoot.
Alright, yeah, guys, check it out. Yeah. Michael course, check it out. Yeah. See it there. Check it out. Here. Dance with. Feel good video shoot. You know how I do it. You see it? Yeah, big up all of my vloggers them. My fans them. You get what I say? Big up my lady fans them, my lady vloggers them. You see me, somebody I look for me like let me big up the ladies. You see me, without ladies where would I be? You get me? Shout out to everybody who listen to Dance With songs them. You don't know. Yeah. Whole heap of love. Jamaica. Dancehall. Dance With President. I get what I say. Right now, with the Duncans. Duncans with it right now. We are head to St. Anne's Beer to shot the second piece of my video. And everything was good. You get what I say? How am man? That's it, I'm not too, you know where I go. Yeah.
Babe, let's check out the catch point up there.
No, okay, NCB.
So all the NCB cash points not working? All the NCB cash points not working?
Just tell them it.
You're already in it, babe. And I'm not even gonna cut anyone out and stuff. But Manda, she wants to be in it. You're gonna be in it. So.
Pass the polo hat to be on making.
But guys, I'm trying to get used to what I'm wearing. It just feels different. Like different, guys. I wish I was wearing like a black jeans and a
Shorts.
no, not shorts. Black jeans, a top. And my black and white trainers, yeah.
There's a guy G just buy a markets. Chop.
Can I try them glasses on, babe?
No.
I'm gonna steal them before when I'm going home. You told me that you were gonna give them to me.
No,
yeah, you did.
The last one when me there I go give you.
Well, that's your fault. You're giving me them ones. I'm taking it when I'm going
There's a
home.
guy G just
If
buy
I'm
a
going home.
markets. That make me feel good.
Ooh, one vex, one vex.
So me have to
Can feel
glass,
good.
dirty
What
still.
is for you?
You have a
can
glass
never be
cleaner?
for me. No, can never be for me.
You want wipes?
No, it's gonna make it more. It's gonna make it foggy. You need cloth, not something wet. Just clean it on this. Clean it on my top.
Get your newspaper.
Clean it on my top. Darren, clean it on my
Yeah,
top.
yeah, go in a video, my girl. Look, you see what underpants round on the back.
Why we got your underpants in the car?
No, me tell you.
Tell me.
I when me dey go country and something, and it dey in my black bag, and me dey go mechanic and take you out to clean or something.
Yeah.
It no good again.
Then I'll trouble. Can't breathe in the backyard.
Feel like when me I do the video, me even a button me shot.
Yeah.
You can button it and then
Some part me unbutton it though.
Mix it up a little
It's a
bit.
belly tucky in.
No man.
I look like a.
Look on recross belly big and recross too.
Your belly not big, babe. No, your belly don't big.
But this style. Big belly joke. I eat too much, you know.
No, Darren eat picky. Darren pick food. I'm gonna start eating like him. Eating.
I
leave.
just said today we
You
are eating crackers and bite piece like rat.
You know what? That green tea is so nice because the green tea in England, like it's got like a strong taste. Yeah, it has like a strong taste, but the Tetley.
Remember
green
saying
tea.
till you reach a place.
I don't know what's on his mind.
You know the money.
I had something to eat because I can't function without my tea, and
This is
sometimes
what
Darren
I
don't even understand that I can't function without my tea.
Yes, I got it.
I'm stealing that glass. I'm gonna wear it to work.
I could wipe it after.
Now wipe off the
Make me
boot.
feel good. Oh, gosh, guys, I can't wait to show you what I'm wearing, but I don't like it. I'm trying to get used to it. But are you gonna video it? I'm not ready to go outside. I need someone to like record when I'm like showing them. Yeah, we'll do it after. I don't want to go outside right now. I'm so fat as well.
You want to see the name fat?
Yeah.
I prefer that feeling fatness.
I like your shoes, babe.
Air Force One.
You look funny.
Air Force One, is it? On the top shelf now, that water.
Oh, you mean?
You put your favorite ones on the top shelf?
Second favorite.
My white one on the top shelf as well. I'm gonna
Wait,
put
I do
my
up there.
Converse. My Converse is on the top
That
shelf.
now go on no shelf. None at that they put this on. That the dirty boot now go on no shelf. Under bed boot them there.
Auntie All-Star.
Listen, I don't really like. I only ever wash it when I come to Jamaica, guys.
Oh, I cannot wash your All-Star sister.
Because
It's dirty.
no, I don't really wash All Stars. It's just I don't know. Mine is clean compared to a lot of people's All Star in England. Yeah.
Congrats.
You must know, man. You can't get that. In a Jamaica, you boot is a always a light on. Say a hot girl.
I don't care what people say. If I want to wear my dirty All Stars, I'm gonna wear it. Okay? Okay.
No, joking.
I'm not a joker. Guys, I might kind of pause the vlog for now and then continue it when we embark on our journey. Like right now, we're just like sat here like waiting. And it's just like long and I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm gonna continue this vlog when we're back on our way. I don't know what accent that is, guys, but yeah, I'm gonna continue the vlog because I don't want to bore you guys and stuff. But like I said, I don't like what I'm wearing, guys. I feel too normal. I don't like feeling normal. I like feeling a bit, I don't know. Alright, what do you call this dressing? Is there another name for normal?
Normal?
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah, I don't, I don't like it, guys. But you can tell me when I show you full of what I'm wearing and stuff, you can tell me if it's nice, if it's too simple. And also, I know when Verona watches this vlog, she's gonna be like, Crystal, why don't you paint your nails? Blah blah blah. Alright, the story is, guys, like I do like the look of fake nails and stuff. And it brings you off and stuff like that, but I don't like the feeling of fake nails. The thing is, I like feeling free. Oh my gosh, that's in my eyes. I like feeling free, not restricted. So when I'm wearing fake nails, it's like I struggle to like open my jeans, or I just don't like the feeling. And if I'm gonna put it on short, it's like, what's the point? Do you get what? If it's gonna be too short, what's the point? And then since I've been in Jamaica, I've not even had time to like paint my nails. Like days when I'm chilling, I'm just like chilling, and then when it's time for us to go somewhere, I'm like, shit, I need to paint my nails. And obviously because we're working on time, we're working with time and stuff, I never get enough time to sort of like paint my nails because I take quite a while to get ready. So by the time I finish doing my makeup, do my hair, look for clothes, I don't have time to paint my nails, plus wait for it to dry because we're always in a rush and stuff. Like this shoot is meant to start at like 12 and we woke up at like 9. As I was saying, yeah, we woke up at 9, 10, 11. We woke up at 9 and we should be leaving at 12. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 2 hours. That is not enough time for me to get ready, do my hair, eat, do my nails. I just always run out of time. So what I'm going to try and do, guys, tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to be doing much tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to just use my chill out time and just paint my nails and stuff. So don't judge me. Verona, don't judge me because I know you're going to judge me that I've not painted my nails, but do not judge me, okay? But in a way, it's kind of nice that I didn't paint my nails because I feel, I don't. Anyways, I'm talking shit right now, so we will, I'll check in back with you guys when there's more to talk about and there's more to see.
Next year, do a day for the time. More man live and more man learn. What them a gossip about we, you know? We life sweet like Oreo. What them a gossip about me, yo? Be a smile and progress for show. What them a gossip about me, I know. What them a gossip about me, yo? What them a gossip about me, yo? Be a smile and progress for show. What them a gossip about me, I know. What them a gossip about me, I know. I say we hype and show off. What them a gossip about me, I know. Chuck, but I know, I know, I know, I know. I don't know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Me a tell me I alone. What them a gossip about me, I know. So we hype and show off, me not care. Say about me, I know. Say about me, I know, me not care. What them a gossip about me, I know. Living in a bitch life. What them a gossip about me, I know.
Oh. Yo, AM, where you say ATM there? Eh? Alright, go on. Yeah? Nothing in CBR. Oh, the army 13. Nice, you know. Yeah, move so quick.
Just the way I'ma feel, just the way I'ma feel, and just the way I'ma feel, just the way I'ma. My ears I got a G just by a markets that make me feel good. Ooh, I vex, go and vex. Cause them can't feel good. What is for you can never be for me. Can never be for me. Me I work for my goal, reach to my own. Words of friends sweet. I see my mother last night and she a smile that make me feel good. My friend them a party, I enjoy them life that make me feel good. I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel. Me sorry still not get the visa, so them can't feel good. One cup of course for them cheese, yeah. For me, we feel good. One be the honey for them bees, yeah. Cause them sting feel good. Know the star of a shine, me I go for mine. Words of honor, but still living at the rent house. Landlord tell me to forget out, and you know me not go stress out. My hope said that song, yeah, I go bust me now. Look how long me I try, well it must be now. I see my mother last night and she a smile that make me feel good. My friend them a party, I enjoy them life that make me feel good. I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel. We can see in the car me I go drive out. Rims clean, everything shine out. From the girl them see with them line out. Time for get wild out. I saw we chillin' on the weekend. I for call up my friend them. Watch on me Jeep on the young gang. I see him so we queen them. I see my mother last night and she a smile that make me feel good. My friend them a party, I enjoy them life that make me feel good. I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel, I just the way I'ma feel. I just the way I'ma feel, just the way I'ma feel, and just the way I'ma feel, just the way I'ma. My ears I got a G just by a markets that make me feel good. Ooh, I vex, go and vex. Cause them can't feel good. What is for you can never be for me. Can never be for me. Me I work for my goal, reach to my own. Words of friends sweet. I see my mother last night and she a smile that make me feel good. My friend them a party, I enjoy them life. That make me feel good. I just the way how me feel. 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 Me sorry still not get the visa. Some can't feel good. One cup of course for them cheese, yeah.
I'm so annoyed. So all the days my hair chooses to give me a problem today. So every time I do my hair, it's always okay. Like, you know, it looks nice and stuff. Today my hair has been giving me a headache. So I've just been feeling a bit off because my hair is just messy right now. It's slightly annoying, guys. And obviously I want to look nice in the video and stuff. My hair has been giving me such a hard time, you know. Whenever you're doing something okay, your hair is fine. When you're doing something like amazing where you know you need to look nice and stuff, that's when your hair always chooses to give you a problem, and it's so annoying. My face is greasy, it's so windy, so my hair is blowing everywhere. It's just like, and I mean, I know it's windy and I probably shouldn't wear my hair down, but I've always done it and I control it and stuff, but today it's just been, it's nice in there. Oh gosh, that was disgusting.
We get a job.
What's this place called?
D-Bay.
D-Bay. We're at D-Bay. And we're playing some pool and stuff. The video shoot was really good. And I think we're going to shoot like the next one, like the next bit here. Another part of the video. So I'm just here chilling and drinking some malt. I feel a little bit better because it's not windy and stuff, and my hair is not like all over the place. So drinking some Malta. It is nice, but it tastes a lot different than the one in England. It tastes a bit bitter. I don't think Malta are usually bitter. But so we're just chilling. I just had a patty as well. What did you write? My little what? My little what? What does that mean? We shouldn't be swearing on Facebook. Shouldn't be swearing.
I'm not swear. We don't call the kids we should be swearing.
Yeah. It's a video. So Amanda is uploading some pictures on Facebook. So guys, I think in this vlog I'm gonna put Darren's new song in the vlog, the one that we're doing the shoot for. So it'll be playing in the vlog and it'll also be at the bottom. There will be links for it and stuff. So yeah, so you can hear the song. I really love your review and support on this. It will mean a lot.
Where are the kids then?
Huh?
Where are they?
D-Bay.
At what?
At St. Anne's, and we're playing pool. So I'll show you guys around. I did like look at Darren staring at me. Like I'll show you Darren staring at me right now.
I was
Worst man, you tell about money, my lad. Worst man.
You know, pay.
Ricky. Everything's free, Ricky. I tell you that.
I feel for stuff like that.
This place is so nice, guys. It is like so chill as well.
Pacha, come on, Pacha.
See me on bed. Oh my gosh, she's not even moving. It's just me. Oh. What?
These eyes.
What?
So.
Hi, just leave me.
Oh god.
It's so cute. Alright. Oh, Darren. Yes. Did you get your picture? You like them? No, I will. What we're doing right now, so we are chilling.
Taking a tour.
Yeah.
Mr. Like tour guide.
Me?
Mr. Where are we?
And we're at, what name again?
D-Bay.
D-Bay. Where does it say D-Bay? Where does it say D-Bay?
You know, to D-Bay, you have to say D-Bay, don't you? But we're
No,
at
but what
D-Bay.
is this place called?
Rum Face Bar.
Rum Face Bar. Yeah.
We're at Rum Face Bar.
I look so messy right now, guys.
You don't look messy. She
Yes,
just
I
extra.
do. I look really messy.
So if you did now,
I should.
because I'm fancy and I look messy.
I would feel a lot more comfortable if I was in trainers and pants. Stop looking at my messy face.
But yeah.
Oh boy, it's the president.
Bourbon Beats.
It's rich kids. Dreaming, 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 dreaming. I've been dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. Me a dream about the bricks them and the fresh pair of kicks them. Girls them appear like magic then. Look how me trick them. Look how easy me flick them. Me turn and twist them. Me want score a couple of girl shot.